Good morning friends. We are going to see how can we make chocolate garland. For that we need some chocolates, satin ribbon, two separate ribbons we need, one at the bottom and one at the top to be tied. This simple thing, very simple. You can take any colored chocolates according to your taste. Take any bright colored satin ribbon, half an inch width. Even you can use any golden ribbons to tie chocolates. It's also possible. Put the knot on the top of the chocolate as I shown here. So like stringing the flowers, you are using this knot now. The same knot can be used here. This is a very easy knot. You can easily remove the chocolates, and I will show that also at the end. After tying one side, that is at the top of my you can continue the same process at the bottom also. Both the end of the chocolate is to be tied using this satin ribbon. That's a logical kind. So it will then it will be held in a position that is stiff. So I have finished one end. Now I am continuing the same process with the other end of the chocolate using the other satin ribbon. Same process is to be repeated until you need the desired length you achieve. Yes, you can see how the garland is looking like. See, after using the chocolate for the function, you can remove the chocolate easily and you can distribute that also. I will show here. See how I am removing. You can just remove the knot easily, as the knot will be little silky. So it is very easy also. Here comes the next type. You can staple the chocolates, two chocolates, and you can put these chocolates for small simple purposes or decorations. You can use a small garland. It's also possible. You can just try this also. Using the staple, I am putting the staple at the two end. Okay, and I am again joining another two ends to that. And again putting the same staple. I will continue this until I get the needed length. finally the garland is ready. You can add just a small satin ribbon at both the ends, and you can place it anywhere on the plates, or you can decorate the photos. Anything you want, that can be done. Thanks for watching.